Hello everyone, welcome to another vlog. I've got my friend Yui with me today.
Hi everyone!
So if you've been watching our channel, you know we absolutely love Thai food. We love eating Thai food, but we don't know much about Thai food, Thai ingredients. So in this video, we're gonna learn a little bit more.
We are going into the fish sauce factory, the really old family company. Yes.
What's the name of the fish sauce?
Tiparos.
Yeah, this is the brand you saw all over Thailand, in every Asian shop, even in UK shops if you're searching for some Thai food.
Yes. Okay.
So let's go and explore and learn a little bit more about the main ingredients in Thai kitchen.
Yes, that's right.
Let's go.
Let's go to raw fish sauce.
So here behind me we have a whole fermentation process of the fish sauce. These boxes here, they are going into UK. 200,000 bottles of fish sauce per day.
200,000.
200,000. It's food time. Coconut shell filled with curry. Nam prik pla. Nam pla prik. So we're just going into Tiparos factory. Let's go in and learn a little bit more about the main ingredient in Thai kitchen, delicious fish sauce. So my friend Yui also have a YouTube channel which I'm gonna leave the link in below in description, so make sure you go and follow. She cooks a lot of delicious food. And which program you used to be in UK?
MasterChef UK.
Amazing. So make sure you check it out because she cooks absolutely delicious food.
Thank you, I love you.
Aww. So here behind me we have a whole fermentation process of the fish sauce. We start with the 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 9 months and 12 months. And what you can see is how color is changing. You can see in this bottle, basically we have the 1 month color, 1 month fermentation and the 12-month fermentation. Can you see the difference in the color? This is the product, this is the end product, what you get and what we use in Thai kitchen. And also the one thing I found out, what they use in fermentation process, what is used in fermentation process is sea salt. Sea salt, why sea salt? It's because it's less harsh, it's not such a strong flavor, and obviously it's better for you. So what you can see here, you can see all these anchovies inside. You can see they already breaking, and on the top of the anchovies there is a lot of sea salt. And then you can see with every single bottle you go to, with every single jar, the anchovies becoming like a paste, and there's a lot of sea salt on the top, and the sea salt is slowly disappearing. That is so interesting. Honestly, I'm actually love learning all this stuff. You know, I'm all about Thai food. I love eating Thai food, but it's so good to actually find out where the main ingredients in Thai kitchen, where they come from. So I think we're gonna have the tour of the factory here.
Yes.
Yes?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're going to the factory. This is gonna be really interesting. We can see whole process, how is everything made on a big scale.
Yes.
Let's do it.
Let's go.
Let's do it. Let's go. We're going to the factory where food is being made. So, ta-da!
Very nice.
At least I'm not on my own wearing that. Okay, let's go. Beautiful. Right, so now we're going into the factory, into the production line. We're gonna see how everything is being made. So this place is huge. I'm not sure if I mentioned, but this is the fish sauce which is being exported to all the countries around Europe, Australia. They export a big export into UK, Poland, Germany, Austria, everywhere where Thai people live, they export this fish sauce. You can smell the fish sauce in the air. How fish sauce bottles do you guys produce per day? 400 bottles per minute. That's how many they produce. I ask for a day. 400 per minute. Imagine that. That's crazy. So just behind this door, over there, this machine here, you can see they are filling up the fresh fish sauce in there. But we are not gonna go in because even through that door, I can smell the really, really strong smell. The liters of fish sauce are being pumped into the bottles. There is no need to go inside. I've just been told it's around 200,000 bottles of fish sauce per day.
200,000?
200,000 per day.
Oh
Yes.
my God.
That's crazy, isn't it?
That is, you never run out of fish sauce here, right?
You never will. Oh my God. That's impressive. That's impressive.
That is.
And also what we've been told is that this is all automated process. So because basically they're producing food, right? There is no human contact from the time when it's being basically fermented until it actually is being loaded on the lorry. There's no human contact. Everything is done. It's no basically human contact, no handling by human. Everything is done by the machine, all automated process. And
Brilliant.
this factory is spotless. I've never actually been in a food factory, so I'm not sure if that's always the case. But this is spotless. So just here in front of me, we can see the machine is packing whole boxes of fish sauce. How many boxes? 2, 4, 6 boxes being fully packed in one time. So this is where the packing process is happening. All the boxes are being loaded into like a loading station, and then it's being picked up by the forklift and loaded on the lorry. Bye bye! See you in UK! I've actually never been in a food factory before, and I always been watching back home, back in the UK, documentaries like inside the cocoa factory, you know, or inside any other food factory, the food you eat or use in your kitchen every day, and there is no difference. In the factory, the fish sauce they produce in here, Tiparos fish sauce, we used to use on a daily basis back in UK in our kitchen, and also there is one in the cupboard here in our Thai kitchen. So we are just sitting here with Yui, basically just chatting with the manager, and we just realized there's not only fish sauce they produce here, but we also have oyster sauce in a powder form, and the general seasoning as well. In a cabinet over there, they showcasing all the products they produce in this factory, which is also vinegar as well. It's really nice to see. We've heard that this is family-run business, which is basically operating for 111
years.
111 years, family business. It must be very successful business then. Right, what we're gonna do now, you can see this big bucket of salt. That's what we're gonna taste. Ready? Oh, that's nice. Yeah.
It's got a really nice subtle saltiness. It's not like, oh, salty.
This is really nice, mellow, subtle flavor. So we have 2 stages of the fermentation here. This is the beginning of the fermentation, and this is the end product.
Yeah, so this is the first month. This is the 12
months. Yeah. Let's.
Are you brave enough?
Let's do it.
Oh my God.
Oh,
How you describe it?
I don't know. I never smelled anything like it before.
It's really fishy.
It is.
It's really strong.
Fermented fish. Fermented fish. This is very strong flavor.
And we tried the 12-month one. Oh, this is.
Oh, there you go.
This is smell from home.
There you go. This smells really good.
I can just sniff this one all day.
The fish sauce, if you don't know, if you're not familiar, the fish sauce is main ingredient in Thai kitchen, isn't it?
Yeah, you put fish sauce in every single thing, really.
Yeah. Right. It's food time. So now we're gonna see all the dishes. This fish sauce is being used in. Let's go and get some food. So I jumped out too quickly. We are going to the restaurant called Ban Chit Lom. Chai Mai?
Thai car.
Thai Ka. And this restaurant looks beautiful. Look at all the flowers. It looks so pretty. We're right by the sea, so I can feel the
lovely
breeze.
sea breeze.
Yes.
Lovely.
Sawadee ka. So yeah, let's go and get some food. So we're getting food on a table already. We literally just sat down and food came within a minute. What we got here, we've got a gangsam with some fish roe, which looks absolutely delicious. And I never had fish roe in, oh my god, look at this size of that fried rice. It's fried rice with crab, I've had. Oh my god, we're gonna have a feast here. Let's eat what we got here first. We got some fried rice here with crab. After tasting that, I know the rest of the food is going to be amazing. So Yui kindly is going to give me a portion here of gangsam with some fish roe. I'm really interested to try that dish. I never had gangsam in that form before. The size of that fish roe, I know that this would be Danny's nightmare, but I am very excited to try this. Oh wow.
How is it?
This is so good. I didn't think it's gonna be, you know, actually cooked. Because usually when you have a fish roe, it's like pops in your mouth. I forgot this is cooked, of course. This is delicious. It's sour, sweet and spicy. Absolutely delicious flavors. Yeah.
It's so good. You like it, Diggy?
Yeah.
It's so nice.
Oh my god, we got massive coconut shell filled with curry and seafood, right? Oh, tale. Oh, this looks delicious. I can't wait to try this. Let's go for it. Let me show you the consistency of it. Wow. You know when you get curry crab and yellow curry powder, I was expecting consistency like that. Seafood in it is so soft. Also the creaminess of the coconut milk, and it's sweet curry with a little bit of spice. I would say perfect amount of spice, so it's not overpowering as well. This is delicious. I have to bring Danny here now because I'm actually feeling guilty eating this food on my own.
He might be secretly in here without telling you.
Yes, because I'm not sure if you probably don't know, but Danny works in Bangkok where we are now, and it's only 10 minutes drive from here, so I have to ask him if he ever been here.
His regular lunch plans.
Yeah. In that case, I'm not feeling guilty. What we also got here on a plate, this is aubergine yam. This is yam salad, right? But just with aubergine, Thai aubergine. Say again?
Yam makhia
Yao makhia. Yam makhia yao.
Perfect.
Sorry. Right, let's give it a go. It's absolutely delicious. That aubergine is cooked to perfection and literally just disappears in your mouth. This is amazing. อร่อยมาก Oh my god, I love it. This is delicious. The main dish just has arrived. I think the dish everyone was waiting for. Nung Siu. Okay. I'm getting Thai lessons now as well. Amazing.
So the steamed fish with soy sauce.
It looks absolutely delicious, filled with mushrooms on top and ginger and maybe some coriander or celery leaves. Let's tuck in. Oh yeah. I will be coming back here again. Don't worry. So you're gonna see this restaurant again on our channel with Danny, or we're gonna bring some friends over. This is absolutely beautiful spot. You've got chairs over there sitting by the sea as well if you like to, or sit in a garden. There's the breeze coming out from the sea as well is so refreshing. It doesn't feel hot today at all. That's
Nice breeze comes in
yeah.
from the sea. doesn't
It's like it feels like English summer weather.
Yeah,
But
it's
yeah,
not
with loads
humid
of
at
wind.
all.
Yes.
Yeah.
Perfect weather, perfect food, great company as well. Thank you so much for bringing us out here. But how was the experience in the factory?
Oh, it's just really fascinating to see the process from the beginning to the end and how to make the most important ingredient, which is sweet fish
Yes,
sauce.
in Thai cooking, right?
Yeah, that's
and
right.
I bet for you that was very interesting as well because you're cooking on a daily basis. This is your job, this is your passion. So I bet it was amazing to see it, to be able to see it, how it's made, basically from scratch. The fermentation process as well. That was very interesting.
Yeah.
And
That's
yeah.
really good. And then we just finished with the food that cooked by fish sauce.
Yes, that is well. And the food in this restaurant was absolutely outstanding. We are absolutely full, aren't we?
I'm just gonna roll myself back home.
Yes, I'm gonna follow. So thanks very much for watching. Make sure you subscribe to the Yu's channel. The link in description to the factory, to Yu's channel. Location of this restaurant as well, and yes, everything's going to be pinned in the description. Make sure you give a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video, and we're going to see you next one. Sawadee ka.